We got the Friday night Crimson and Gold Challenge. A shot of crimson, a shot of gold, an entire burger, and an entire pig in 3 minutes. What am I waiting for? I'm here behind the scenes at Crimson and Gold, rocking Crimson and Gold, got the signatures, so sign your ass up to get down here and get their signature burger. That's what they're making me. But what really makes this place special? Well, the locals. Let's go check them out, come on. I'm at the local neighborhood joint, Crimson and Gold. Who am I with?
John Archer.
John Archer, and what do we got here, John?
We got a pig.
A pig, oh my goodness. How much does this pig cost if I want to eat it?
$0 for free.
For free! I like it. And so why are we doing this though? This is amazing. A free pig roast.
Free pig every Friday.
Every Friday.
Every Friday.
Why?
My brother-in-law loves this area, grew up in the area, went to DU, he's trying to give back.
Nestled in a big city, Denver! Crimson and Gold. It's not a sports bar, it's a local bar. You see families, you see college students, alumni, or even people like myself that don't want to use the meters. We parked illegally. They come here too. Anyone. Crimson and Gold Challenge. Here it is. Bon appetit. Crimson. Gold.
Not getting any younger. Hal Gill not getting any younger. This guy can skate very
I like it. Pioneer Burger. And the pig. With a touch of Crimson and Gold. Bon appetit. The Crimson and Gold, it never stops here.
Commissioner Gary Benton will be official announcement.